Tell us your name and tell us about the project.
My name is Edwin Hubble, and my project was on development or existence of extragalactic astronomy and extragalactic astronomy, or it is known as a deep space.
What were you guys trying to find?
We believe that the Milky Way was just one of the many galaxies in our universe. I mean, with the technologies wrapped in Hansen, we were able to provide evidence for the expanding universe theory. Now I have studied many special nebulae in my life. We have also discovered that they are moving away from us at the really rapid pace, with the further one moving away and about thousands of miles per second. We also discovered a direct relationship between the galaxies were spinning away from the Earth at the rate proportional to their distance from us.
Where did this project or this experiment occur?
The project takes place in the Mountain Wilson Observatory, that's which is in California. It would not have been accomplished if we were not for the 100 inches Hawker telescope.
What other significant events happened during my research?
It was interrupted due to the war, specifically World War One. However, I was able to resume after the Treaty of Versailles was signed in 1919. Other significant events included the breathtaking a new world record for the number of the home runs in one season, and I believe that number was 60. Another event was Hitler published his autobiography called Mine. Come also the Great Depression comments after the stock market crash of 1929.
Who else was involved in the project?
Milton Hampson helped me formulate my law, which states that objects observed in extra-galaxy space are found to have a Doppler shift interrupted as a relative velocity away from Earth.
What was your role in the project?
Well, my role in the project was to analyze the shift in spatial lines, as well as calculate the values of speeds for the versus nibble.
What impact did your project have on the physics community?
My project had a great impact on Albert Einstein general relative equation. Einstein had included complement compensatory complexical contents into his equation back in 1917. However, due to my discovery, he said that the changing his equation were, and I quote, the biggest blunder of his life. He was extremely grateful to my to me for the neglecting the need for just as for just a factor in his equation. He would not believe this, but he actually traveled to Mountain Wilson to thank me personally and to also view the telescope.
Can you tell us an interesting fact about yourself?
I grew up in Missouri first. I did not focus in space, but I was on the sport field. I play basketball.